Hello, my name's John. I'm with PlumbSmart. Today we just did a tune-up on this central air conditioning system. Part of our process is we like to disassemble the outdoor fan and clean out the bottom and make it all nice inside of there, get all the leaves. There's a lot of ports underneath the air conditioner that allow water to drain from it and leaves and debris. So we want to get inside of there and make sure that those drains are free and clear. Then we go ahead and clean the outdoor coil with a good solution. Sometimes we might not use a cleaner. We may use a cleaner on this particular application. The homeowner doesn't have pets, so it's safe to use a detergent on this and wash it down. The next part that we do is we do a thorough inspection of the electrical cabinet, which is going to be all of the tiny minor parts that frequently need to be inspected for either burning of electrical components or weak components or things we just want to look out for. We want to inspect that and make sure that that is nice and healthy. So we check out all that and then obviously visually inspect outside to make sure that we don't have any damages. We turn on the piece of equipment and we monitor the refrigerant levels. And this is a big benefit to you because this is ultimately a gauge of where your utility consumption will come from. Too much refrigerant will cause higher utility bills. Too little of refrigerant will cause higher utility bills and lower cooling capacity. So having those type of levels, the correct levels, I'm sorry, are essential component to maintaining your air conditioning system. And that's part of what the tune-up is to take a good inspection of your system to make sure that you're not going to break down when you need it the most, that your utility bills are going to be within your budget, and then lastly, you'll be comfortable. And that's pretty much what we do to the outdoor unit. We also flush the condensation drain line, make sure that your property doesn't become damaged. And we also check your thermostat, we check your furnace, and then in the wintertime we'll obviously look at the heating mode. Again, my name's John, and I hope you enjoyed the video.